Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for my new microwave that just arrived at my apartment, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright, so now I'm going to unbox my microwave real quick. This is how my microwave looks with a better angle, and hopefully we don't mess up this one like we did the last one, because the last one, there was a button down here, right here, and it kept going in when you press on it to open the microwave, and it will slowly come back to how it's supposed to be before you press it. So hopefully we don't do that again. So yeah, this is our new microwave. I like how it looks. I like the new feel it gives to the kitchen, and I'm definitely gonna try this out later. I know my husband will, since he was excited at work that it came and got delivered today. He even asked me to take a picture of it because he couldn't wait until he got home to look at the new microwave. But yeah, that's my new microwave. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.